Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. This is Sunny. I hope everyone had a great weekend. We done well last week. Let's see what happens this next week, and we got some money to play with. So let's get busy. Okay, these are our positions right now. Our cash available to invest is $12,420. Okay. All right, a little bit about our positions here. Okay, our NCLH expired. It got called away on Saturday. We picked up that $521 or so. We'll look at the other spreadsheet. The other win, I rolled it over last week. So this will probably be the last day. You see the zero up here into this win here. Even though it's showing kind of a loss, but you know how options are. They go up when the stock price goes up during the week. And remember, it's only a 74 call. As you can see, it's over 74. So of course we expect it to be up a little bit. But no big deal at the end of the week. As long as it stays over 74, it'll get called away for us. And then we'll pick up our profits, and I'll show you what our profits will be. Yeah, we have to use our spreadsheet for all that. Now, the bottom line here is ET is going to expire 7/17 at 750. Well, right now the price is only at 650, so it's $1 away. So therefore, what's going to happen here is we're going to get the rest of that $25, plus we get to keep all this money. And then we get to put another covered call against it. And remember, our plan is to roll it into the 650 on the 31st. Okay. Luckily, the premium is going up on this. So it'll be a setup. I'm hoping that the share price will be closer to $7 a share by the time we roll this puppy on over. Okay, so then we'll get a bigger premium once we roll it over. Or we just might sell it at $7. So I don't know. We'll figure it out. So the key thing is ET is going up, which is a good thing. It went up 8 cents, which adds another $160 to our portfolio. It reduces the so-called unrealized losses or whatever. But as you know, it's offset by the premiums we're going to be picking up. We're going to be picking up $445 for 1,000 shares as well. So this is going to be our money as well. So that's our premium money that we'll get by the end of July 31st. All right. So we might do some trading here. Let's see what the market is doing right now. Okay, these are the trending tickers here. Tesla is going up. Look at that. It jumped up $188. People are pumping this baby up. It'll probably hit over 2,000. It is a crazy stock. And there's no justification for that price either, just so you know. Pepsi done well. It bounced back. The stocks that we're tracking up here. Our cruise line that we were in last week, look at that. It dipped. I like that. I wish it would be closer to about 1550 though before we pull the trigger on it if we jump back in. Or we might get into this cruise line stock this time. Maybe we'll try a different one this time, huh? Okay. So the market is up. All three indicators are up at this time. But remember, it's the beginning of earnings week. So anything can happen this week. Stocks go up, stocks go down. So The MU's doing pretty good here. The win position, it looks like it's dropping back down to 74 again. Luckily, we picked up 74 instead of 75, right? All right, let's look at our Excel spreadsheet. All right, we got that win position here at the 74 strike price. It's going to expire this week. Would pick up that premium because we rolled it over, picked up $228 on Saturday. We got to keep actually we traded it out. We rolled it over into this one here. So that's our premium. We got to keep the $228, and we're going to be able to keep this $270 too, because we're going to let it get called away. And hopefully it'll get assigned just like this doc did. All right. This was our profit for the week, 147, even though we received that profit as well for last week. But we don't realize this gain until the position is closed. And that's how we play it here. So there's one position open here. So we're going to beat our 3%. Our 3%, we only had to make $882. We are very close. Now our ET up here is being ET. We already collected $1,337 worth of premium. Okay, and we'll see how all this stuff all comes out to play, because remember, this position is going to be open to the 31 July unless we sell these 750s. If it comes up above $7, we might just sell this position here, keep this position, and wait till it gets called away. So we'll see how it works and see how we can work the numbers, but we're going to get a profit out of this. So when we're all said and done. And we might stay out of ET for a while until ET settles down for us. Okay, let's go back to the market here. Okay, the market's jumping around here. I'm looking at this thing here. It's trying to pull back. I'm liking this. Hold on. The region might pull back enough for us to jump back in. Hey, she's been paying us every week. Why not go after the money, right? Why not go get some more of that money? I like that when she dips like this on a Monday. That's what intrigues me about Norwegian Cruise Line here. I mean, there's no negative news on it. There's negative news on the Royal. There's no earnings coming up. It looks like all the cruise lines, and you know what? Even Delta is dropping. Let me check on Delta once here. Let me see what's going on with Delta. Oh, earnings season's coming up. Tomorrow's earnings season's for Delta. That's what's going on here. Because the earnings seasons are coming up, it's taken the whole ETF or the whole industry taking it down. All right, let's see Southwest Airlines here. Let me get a full scoop on this puppy here. What is going on? Look at that. Okay, it took back all of its gains that it had. Okay, this is the 1 hour chart. I like that. Okay, so we're down here at the 32. So the low point can be down here at the 31. Interesting. Wow. Interesting. Looks like Norwegian just dropped 75 cents. Let's start looking at some of these options here. NCLH, if we go with the 15 this time, that'd be giving us 16.16. It'd give us about the same premium. Alright, we might pull the trigger on this one here. Let's go with the 15 this time and see what we can do, because there's a lot of people in the 15s here. Alright, we'll do a covered call, which is going to be a buy right. Okay, I'm glad it dropped down to 77 cents. Alright, let me do a quick visual on this here. Let me get a full screen. She's still going down. Let me get a 2-minute chart. Alright, we'd be doing a 15 against this. Yeah, right at a 15 would probably put us, because everything dips down to $15. Yeah. Look at that. Win already dropped down to $74. And the market's up. Something's wrong. Yeah, it means these big boy techs are taking it higher. American Airlines is diving. Yeah, this is earnings week. Look at that, Norwegian. It's still hanging in there. Okay. Let's do a trade on Norwegian. I trust Norwegian. It'll snap back. Look at that, Norwegian. Both these cruise lines are hovering together, but these guys here have more buyer recommendations than these guys do. Crazy. All right, let's see what we can do here. Okay, we're going to be buying here. We'll be buying 500 shares. We're going to sell to open. We're going to do it for 1 week. Here, this is a very high volatile stock. Let's look at what the 15s look like first. Okay. All right. We're doing a covered call here. Buy right. Okay, it's at 15.56. Look at that. Only 1 penny difference. Okay, we're going to try to get 102. You subtract 102, it'd be 14.54. We will go with 14.56. Okay. And we might be able to get that. We'll see here in a second. Okay, and we're going to sell to open 5 contracts at the 15 strike price for the end of this week, which expires in 4 days from now. Yeah, I'm not really counting today because we're already opened. Let's see, subtract 104, would be 14.55. Okay, this thing should be able to happen. Okay. Wow. Oh, this thing jumped up. We will have to see what this thing takes. 14. See, now it jumped way out there. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we checked our legs here. Buying 500 shares, sell to open 5. Okay, and we will see. This trade expires within the next 7 days, it says. Okay, and our estimated gain is $220 here. Remember, it's sell to open. Okay, I had to work the numbers a little bit, but we got her executed here. We're not going to get $220. I'll show you here in a minute, but we're going to get over 2% for the week for a 5-day period. You remember, all the options expire Friday night, even though we get paid on Saturday. Everything gets taken care of on Saturday for paperwork purposes. Okay, let's go ahead and see what our account balance is real quick. Look at that. We're over 32,000. Look at that. 32,288. Remember, these numbers will keep jumping around because we got options in play here. Okay. All right, let's look at the market real quick. Okay. Some stocks are up. You know, the market's overall up 1%. The Russell's down. The Norwegian, luckily it dipped for us so we can make a trade. I did not want to do a trade when it was that high. That was good that it dropped 4.21% so we can get in a trade at a 15 strike price. Looks like Win is doing fine. ET is doing just fine. Just like where I want her at. Okay, let's pull on here. All right. Here's our position. I already set up the position here. We're going to pull in $187, which is a 2.49% for a 6-day period. I already put it up here. We're looking pretty good, and both of these get called away this week. But then again, we'll check it on Wednesday and find out where we are. Okay, that concludes my video for today. If you guys have any stocks or any questions or anything, please put them down in the remarks. Okay. I would like to see some of your stock ideas that you might think that might be good for covered calls, or it might be a good thing for us to use on our platform here. Okay. Please give me a thumbs up. Remember, this channel is all about helping you to gain wealth within your families and beat those CDs that were like at 3.5%. So we're doing very well. Okay, so it gives us a thumbs up, subscribe, and again, I'll talk to you guys on Wednesday. And take care. This is Sonny. I'm out.